Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're at the Leadhills, and this is the highest village in Scotland. Isn't it just beautiful? We're here to explore the local area and see what's about. So, let's have a look. Hi guys, I'm Sean Brett, and this is my travel life. I've been travelling Scotland for over 12 months now, and I've seen some amazing things, and I'm about to show you some more. Oh, going through a ghost town. You're right, looking through the bins.
Should have been ready.
You're right. Can you tell everyone why you're still single? Why are you doing?
Because our taste in men is trash. Well, that too. But no, I was trying to find the
General waste, that one.
Oh yeah.
Right, so today we're at Leadhills. This area is a little bit dead. What is this area for now? Tourists?
No. Mainland village.
There's hotels though here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A hotel.
A hotel. So this village is in the middle of nowhere, and it's an old mining town. Gives me its name, the Leadhills. I believe, I'm just guessing guys, that those hills are full of lead. That guy that was not impressed with my joke.
Were you impressed with your joke?
I was. I'm very funny. Given the name, the funny backpacker.
You could have to self-title yourself.
No, it's like one of those movies when it says its own name in the movie, and you're like,
Title of the movie.
that's the movie.
Oh, title.
It said it. Their claim to fame is the fact that it's the highest residential hotel in Scotland. Because you know when you look for a hotel, you always think, where would be the highest one? This one is it.
There we go.
Hopeton Arms. Oh, there's a shop. Oh. Anyone else want a drink? So there's a little map of everything you can find in Leadhills. There's a war memorial, there's a miners' library, which we've walked past. What's number 3? I can't find it on the map. Oh, there's a...
it's a Symington
memorial.
Memorial.
And number 4 on this map is the John
Taylor's grave.
grave, and then it goes on to the curfew bell, village square, Nevin's fountain, Leadhill station.
Lothar.
Oh, did I miss one? Lothar
Lothar Church.
And the Scott Mining Company house. Let's see if we can find them all. To be fair, it doesn't look very big, as you can tell.
Well, you can see the bell right there.
Literally. Oh, can we?
Literally.
Oh. That's the, so that is the curfew bell. Does it tell you anything about the curfew bell and why they had a curfew?
No.
No. So there you go guys. There's a curfew bell. They had a curfew. You can take a map, but apparently they're all empty. So it's a good start. We can go over to the bell, have a look at the bell, yeah? It's just down there. It might be, oh my god, I think you can ring it.
Yeah, no thanks. I don't think we're going to disturb the nice peaceful village.
Oh, but
No, don't be... You also realise the hill we're going to walk back up when we go down.
But look, you can see you can ring
Sean,
it.
We're not ringing it, we'll let you go near it, but you don't get to ring it, okay?
Ah, I want to ring the bell.
You wonder why the English is hated in Spain. Disturbing our peaceful villages.
You're going to tell me you're going to take me all the way over there and then I'm not allowed to ring the bell?
Big shiny red button. We're going we're going to test.
And I can tell people, it's a curfew, everyone get back inside, it's too late.
They'll be like, oh, compared to all, it's like,
Like,
don't end this.
such a creepy area. Look, you can ring it.
Don't ring the bell.
And it's got a... Oh, you can ring the bell, guys. Oh, there is information about the bell, guys.
Right, we'll go any closer than that though. Hold up your hand.
Can someone just hold my camera? Can you hold that?
I mean, look at the shiny sign, Sean.
Oh, lovely sign.
Don't, Sean. Sean. Bean, don't. Sean, it's there.
You can ring the bell. Wait for me.
You're a criminal.
I'm a criminal.
Yeah.
That bell still has the rope on it, so you can ring it. That is literally why it's there. It was a big button. It's like, do not press me. You're gonna press the button.
No, you're not. You're the reason that we'll end up dying. Yeah.
What?
Or in the jail. Yeah. One of the two.
Why are we gonna die?
Because there's got to be a poltergeist or some sort of spirit attached to that. Poltergeist.
This is a little small village of Leadhills. Cute little village it is. Very creepy though. Let's head off now to Wanlockhead where we can see, well, let's find out what we can see. I'm going to show you a drone of the whole area though first of all. Actually, I'm going to pull over just before Wanlockhead and just show you a drone of the area. So that'd be quite cool. This creepy little village of the Leadhills. So this is a Wanlockhead, and this is the visitor centre. We're just going to have a little look around the area and see what it's about. We're in the highest village in Scotland. So we're on the, what route did you say it was? It was the Southern Upland Way. This is the route that just goes through Wanlockhead. Takes you past all the little cottages, and there's like free roaming sheep around, which is always good to see. They're just literally about to walk on the road. Hey, you don't have to follow each other, you don't need to be sheep. Alright, I was joking, it was a joke. So we're going to go towards the mines and the cottages, guys.
That's what's a loop.
It's a loop, is it?
Looks like it.
Ooh, so where do we start?
Where are we? We're here.
You are here.
So then it just goes round.
I love the fact there's 3 different routes, so let's do the yellow route because it's very short.
Yeah, the short trail,
So
1.25 miles.
Yeah, let's do the yellow route.
So we're going to cut in at some point.
And there's a little...
Alright, storytelling.
Yeah, we're going to do the yellow route, it's a short route, 1 point mark.
1.25 miles.
It's about a 20-minute walk.
Yeah. The other one's 2.5. And then the high ones, like
So if you guys want to, you can take a guided tour through the Locknell mine. I don't know how much it costs. I could ask these guys, but I'm not doing it. No?
No.
Just seems...
That's what you think people probably.
Yeah, Google it, guys.
What?
Yeah, I know, I saw it. It's just a random...
What is wrong with you?
I'm walking on the path.
Oh, look at it.
How much to push her? This is Sparta! Boof! Sign road. Follow the yellow 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 sign road.
It's clearly that's the only words you know that song is.
Yeah, what else is the words?
We're off to see the wizard.
We're off to see the wizard.
The wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Wonderful.
Because of the wonderful things he's done.
We're not off to see the wizard though, guys, unfortunately. Some little mine carts there, a little bit rusted, but all good. Don't think you can use them anymore though.
What makes you say that?
Got a little bit of holes in them. They're a little bit bent.
Holes?
A couple of holes. A couple of holes in them. That's us back, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
We've done our loop.
And that's the route, guys. Back to where we started.
Yay.
Well, nearly. We'll just go back up this little hill. And back to the visitor centre.
Yeah.
Yep. So there's other walks you can do other than the one we did. So we did the Southern Upland Way. You can also do another one, kind of a walk to the radar tower that we was kind of looking at, but it's up 631, and that seems very high, even though we're, if I remember rightly, we're at 480 something at the moment.
Altitude.
It just seems a very much high climb. I thought there'd be Monroes around here, but they're not. They're just 732, so there you go, guys. You can't cheat and get a couple of Monroes while you're here. That's a shame.
So we're off to Mennock Pass.
Mennock Pass. What's there? It's just a...
It's like a lookout point, I think.
Awesome. I love lookout points. Let's go and have a look at the lookout point. So guys, we're at Mennock Pass, and it is just an area of just natural beauty, I think. I don't know, whatever they call it. But anyway, I'm going to have to gladiator up this hill because it looks like the quickest way up. I'm going to run up this hill, fly my drone, and show you the whole area from above. Should look pretty epic. So let's go! Oh god. Okay, this isn't... Okay, this is pretty steep. So this is apparently what you come up to see. If I was you guys, take the other route. It's the route I'm taking back. I'm knackered. So that's it up here, but we're going to head off now to Sanquhar Castle and have a look around. But if you followed any of my other vlogs, you will know that I do not have luck with filming castles. They're normally closed. So let's have a look at Sanquhar Castle and see what's about. So there you go, guys, there's the castle in the background. We're a couple of 100 years too late to actually see it, so that's a bit of a shame. And also there's a gate round it. And also we're at the place that says, danger, keep out! So yeah, we're going to leave this area and go off to see the Crawick Multiverse. Crawick Multiverse?
I don't know. It's spelled funny.
Well, it's the Multiverse. So we may see you on a different timeline, guys. Hey. So this is the Crawick Multiverse. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time to travel around today because it takes an hour and a half to walk to the top and see all the cool landscape. But don't worry, subscribe to this YouTube channel because we'll be back here and we'll do a whole video on this area. So, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out other videos on this channel, like the Conic Walk. It's absolutely fantastic. There's a video just in the link in 2 seconds. So just click on that, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.